Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Review. Is it worth it? The Cuisinart TOA-65 Air Fryer Toaster Oven is stainless steel multi-cooker retailing for about $300 full price. It comes with a rack, baking drip pan, air fry basket, 7 distinct cooking features plus warm and reheat. The LED interface is a combination of buttons and knobs, and it has a limited 3-year warranty. The instruction book has recipes and helpful charts for successful air frying and dehydrating. The TOA-65 embodies smart convenience and versatility in a multi-cooker. Its intuitive interface is easy to navigate, the pre-programmed settings make sense, and most of the features work well, eliminating the need for individual specialty equipment. This small yet mighty appliance won me over and earned a place next to the kettle. Pros: powerful heating, browns foods beautifully, and cooks quickly for a toaster oven model. Stainless steel exterior gives it a high-end look likely to complement most kitchens. Dual cook function allows users to cook using 2 methods. Cons: runs hot, users must watch food closely until they are more familiar with how this model works. Crumb tray and wire rack are not dishwasher safe. How we tested the Cuisinart TOA-65 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Each feature was given a specific task and evaluated for attributes like color and texture. I toasted slices of white bread, air-fried frozen French fries, baked slice and bake sugar cookies, and a frozen pizza, roasted bone-in and skin-on chicken breasts, broiled a salmon fillet, dehydrated tomatoes, and proofed bread dough. And then I cleaned it, inside and out. I made notes throughout and documented with photos. Toast. In search of perfect toast? Look no further. I toasted sliced white bread, 2 and then 6 slices. The TOA-65 made some of the most beautiful toast I have ever seen, evenly golden on the top and bottom. It did everything short of buttering the slices for me. Air fry. The flat air frying basket is roomy, it can easily fry half a standard bag of frozen fries in one shot, and there is less overlapping, like in some of the first-generation barrel-shaped air fryers. There are pre-programmed settings: fries, wings, nuggets, snacks, and vegetables, with the option to set the time and temperature as needed. My frozen crinkle-cut fries came out golden and crunchy on the outside, and tender on the inside, on the fries preset. The basket is a little hard to insert and remove but easy to clean. Bake. The baking feature offers both low and high fan speed with a temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and can bake for up to 2 hours at a time. I started with store-bought slice and bake sugar cookies and baked them, according to package instructions, on the baking pan that was included. They followed in the toast and fries footsteps, with a soft and golden top, crispy edge and tender middle. I put a small frozen pizza on the included baking rack and used the pre-programmed pizza setting. The toppings and sauce were hot, the cheese melty, and the crust crispy. No complaints. Roast. I used 2 bone-in and skin-on chicken breasts, seasoned only with salt, to try out the roasting function. To achieve success, the meat should be tender, with an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and the skin golden and crispy within 40 minutes. There was a good amount of condensation build up from steam while the chicken roasted, which made me nervous. The skin would be flabby, but at about 45 minutes, I had 2 golden, crispy and tender chicken breasts. The baking drip pan was easy to clean, and there was no sign of grease on the bottom of the appliance. Broil. This setting is fixed at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and can broil continually 4 to 2 hours. I placed a salmon fillet in the air basket, which was fitted in the baking drip pan, as recommended. The default time is 5 minutes, which I followed. The fish was looking good after 5 minutes, and there was no smoke or fishy smell. I broiled for 3 minutes more, and the salmon was browned on top, opaque on the sides and bottom, and just flaky in the middle. Dehydrate. This machine can dehydrate for up to 72 hours straight. I followed the TOA-65 handy dehydrate chart and picked tomatoes as a test. I dehydrated, halved grape tomatoes, at the recommended 140 degrees Fahrenheit, with high fan speed, and at about 8 hours had lovely, flavor-packed dried tomatoes. Proof. The proof setting offers a low temperature range. From 80 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, directions advise that the first proof should be done at room temperature. And then the dough is to be divided, shaped and proofed in the TOA is 65. This was a little disappointing. And I was not able to fit all my dinner rolls on the baking pan for their second proof. While this is a seemingly nice feature, it doesn't really solve a problem. It's easier to proof on the countertop or on top of the oven. How it cleaned. The TOA A65 includes a handy pull-out crumb tray and features interior sides coated with non-stick. My piece of equipment needed a clean after testing. The broiled salmon was the limit. A microfiber cloth damp with a mild soap solution did the trick, and the outside only needed a quick wipe down and dry. The oven rack and crumb tray had to be hand washed, while the baking drip pan and air fryer basket cleaned up in the dishwasher easier. Is the Cuisinart air fryer right for your kitchen? The Cuisinart toaster oven air fryer suits any busy home cook who wants to air fry delicious foods but would like the convenience of a multifunctional product. Not only does the Cuisinart make air fryer favorites, such as French fries and wings, but it can also serve as a toaster, oven, microwave, and more. That said, you may want to clear some space on your countertop for this large air fryer. Though it's not exceptionally large compared to similar products, it does weigh 26.4 pounds. At that hefty weight, taking it in and out of a cabinet is not exactly convenient. However, its sleek, all-stainless exterior suits a variety of kitchen decors and coordinates with other large appliances. Plus, as easy as it is to use for so many cooking methods, there's a good chance you'd want it out most of the time anyway.